Hey, what's up, everybody? Finally gonna do something that I've said I'm gonna do for a while. But check this out. Check this out. The old school drone racer. So frame is, I don't know, 5 years old or so, maybe more. But it's got more modern uh, guts. It has a newbie drone 2020 Infinity stack with a Rush Tank Mini VTX, and it's got the 2050 KV 2306 newbie drone smooth motors, I believe. Yeah, the smooth motors off of an old quad of mine. And we're going to test hover it, see how we go. Here we go. There we go. DVR is rolling. I haven't configured my OSD properly, so disregard that. But here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay. That's why you test things. Holy cow. Let's try that not in air mode. 3, 2, 1. Nope, don't like it. Don't like it at all. Back to the drawing board. Okay, it's a couple hours later and I've had dinner. And I've checked some things and my motors were spinning in the wrong direction based on what Betaflight was saying. So, switch the props, switch the direction in Betaflight. Let me try this again. Okay. Disarmed. Down. Plugging in. DVR. Running. Again, sorry about the OSD. I haven't fixed that up yet. Okay. Three, two, one. All right. Heavy torso. That's off. All right, that worked. Looks like in the goggles. Pretty good, actually. I'm on 25. I should probably change that before I go flying around the garage. Yeah, let's change that. Hold on. Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to change to the power 200. Okay, back, save and exit, Okay, I got more power. Here we go. This looks so good in a cockpit. See, it's the right side of it. Oh, you're over there. Sweet. Well, that went well. Look at this guy. Oh, look at that. Get a little up close view for you there. Look at this. I should probably unplug the battery though, huh? I still gotta zip tie these up, but they were safe for a hover flight. I like it. I like it a lot. Look at that battery. Let's get that battery unplugged. Yeah, you see, I just kind of threw the strap on there. It was too long in the slots, and this is a 2200. I want to fly this on 1300 4 cell probably. So, all right. Next up, fly this at Edgewater probably this weekend. So, see you there.